Create times that make you happy. Take a break from life. Get away from the noise of others. Create your own atmosphere. You deserve to be happy. Create times that make you happy. Take a break from life. Get away from the noise of others. Create your own atmosphere. You deserve to be happy. If you want to feel happy, just add something fun or give meaning to your life, and you will discover that you will be happier not only in the present, but you will enhance your own capabilities to be happier in the future. Smile and laugh as much as you can. Meditate on nature and try to see all the beautiful. You should surround yourself with positive people both online and in person. Do something you enjoy, a hobby you've been putting off. Watch a movie or read a book you love. Do something you've never done before that you've been making excuses for. Do it today, no matter what your fears are. Learn something new. Eat something you love or go to a restaurant you love to eat at. Buy yourself a gift from time to time. Spend time with friends you love. Play with the animals you love. Do not worry and leave everything to God. He is the mastermind. Try not to think too much. Sing or listen to something you love. Find a new challenge for yourself. Open the photos you like and start browsing them. Stop thinking, get started, and get moving. Unleash your feelings. When you are in a serious relationship or surrounded by a large number of people, you may notice that your list of feelings begins to align with those around you. For example, if your girlfriend, boyfriend loves wine, you may also find yourself craving more wine than you would have been. While that's not a bad thing at all, the time you spend with yourself gives you the opportunity to discover some of your non-dominant or less influential feelings. Want to immerse yourself in all the Harry Potter books? Do this. Do you want to try sushi restaurants all over the country? Why not? This is the time for that. Make plans with yourself. One of the most difficult things about being alone is the absence of ordinary events that you might look forward to and wait for. When you're in a relationship, it's easy to plan a regular nighttime dinner. When you're surrounded by a strong circle of friends, it's easy to organize a Sunday brunch. When you're alone, it's hard to plan routine things like this. In order to thwart the "I have no plans" grief, pick a few things to do and include them in your daily routine. For example, start by walking to your favorite coffee shop each morning and taking a hot steam bath every evening. By creating your own routine, you will be able to bring the feeling up, "I have something to look forward to" in your life again. Get physical support where you can. Neuroscience has proven that physical touch is very important to achieving feelings of happiness and improvement. And for obvious reasons, at this time in life you'll need it most when you're alone. To avoid the negative impact of being physically alone, pay special attention to establishing physical feelings in your life wherever you can. The only way to get this through is through hugs. You ever meet even a casual colleague, be sure to end the meeting with a gentle hug. It will activate the happiness chemistry in the brain. Be proud of yourself. One of the most beautiful things about being single is being able to live by your own standards. When you're not attached to other people, it's easier to stop living to fit people's expectations of what you ought to be. This opens up the opportunity to become clear on the inside about what you really expect of yourself. Make an effort to get to know yourself more. Ask yourself, what is the most valuable thing in life to me? What do I need more? What do I need to do? What awaits me next?